Ife Noah. I had a quick flashback to the Mohbad thing. I remember one interview he did where he was saying that sometimes when you are at the brink of something, yeah, you will now go and join one place, association that can speed up the process for you. But you don't need that stuff. You can just keep going with your product and you know what I'm saying, keep going at whatever pace you're going with your product and you figure them out, because that association fit kill you a couple years down the road or put you in very serious poor state of mind. I just had the flashback and I now thought, this is not actually only about that angle, because for some it could be like you've been growing a business and then you now see one thing. Many founders lose their company, for example, or some people will now go and get into one marriage because it's supposed to give you that last step. You know what I'm saying? Don't do it, because if it kill your ass or put you in such a poor state of mind 4 years down the road, 5 years down the road. Shout out Mohbad.